The 2007 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver and passenger airbag, cruise control, power door locks, trip computer, clock, center console, aspiration, normal, engine immobilizer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.